Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Snehasri, and I am excited to talk about one of the most powerful tools in the world of programming, that is JavaScript. As we know, JavaScript is everywhere. It powers dynamic websites, drives interactive applications, and even supports server-side development. It is versatile, user-friendly language that is vital for modern development. Today, I will cover four key concepts that are crucial for understanding JavaScripts, that are objects, functions, the difference between var, let, and constant, modules of JavaScript. By the end of this talk, I hope you will have a clearer understanding of these concepts and how they fit into your real world coding scenarios. Let us start. Objects in JavaScript. Let us begin with objects, one of the most fundamental data structures in JavaScript. An object is essential for collection of key value pairs where the keys are the names of properties or methods and the values can be anything, data, functions, etc. Let us see an example. Here it is. Here name and age are properties that hold information about the object. Greet is a method that performs an action. The keyword this refers to the current object allowing access to its properties. You can create objects in two common ways, using literals and using new object. The example above is an object literal. It is easy and concise. And by using new object, there is an example. Accessing and manipulating objects. There are two ways, dot notation, bracket notation. Dot notation, here person.name returns an output Alice, and in bracket notation person bracket name returns Alice. Objects can also be nested, meaning an object can contain another object. Here an example for it. This structure is very useful for representing complex real-world data. Next, functions in JavaScript. What are functions? A function is a reusable block of code designed to perform a specific task. It helps make your code modular, clean, and easy to debug. There are three common ways to declare functions in JavaScript: function declaration, function expressions, arrow functions. First, function declaration. Here an example for it. Here named functions that can be called anywhere in the code, even before they are defined. This is because of hosting. In function expressions, here functions are assigned to a variables unlike function declaration. These are not hoisted. Arrow functions. Concise syntax, great for shorter functions. Arrow functions does not have their own this, so they inherit from the surrounding context. Understanding how this behaves in functions is crucial. Now, this keyword. Here we can use in both regular functions and arrow functions. This refers to an object itself. Here is an example for regular functions. Here is an example for arrow function. Arrow functions does not bind their own this, leading to unintended behavior. Next, difference between var, let, and const. Now let us talk about how we declare variables in JavaScript. The three main ways are var, let, and const. Scoping rules. Where is function scoped, meaning its value is accessible anywhere within the function. Let and const are block scoped, meaning they exist only within the block they are declared in. Here an example for it. Next, reassignment. Where and let can be reassigned, but const cannot be reassigned after initialization. Here is an example for it. Next, hoisting. Where is hoisted and initialized within undefined. Let and const are hoisted but not initialized, so axing them before declaration throws an error. Next, JavaScript modules. Finally, let us discuss JavaScript modules, which make it easier to organize and reuse codes. Modules allows you to break your code into separate files and share functionally between them. Example exporting, importing, and default export. Here examples for each of them. Modules improves code organization especially in larger projects by making the code base more modular and maintainable. In summary, JavaScript is a versatile and powerful language with key features like objects, functions, modern variable declarations, and modules. Understanding these fundamentals is critical for building robust and scalable applications. Thank you for your attention. I am happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you.